Good day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD. And today's Monday, March 13th, 2023. It is 7:14 and 42 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And today's research, Dermatomyositis. As abatacept therapy offers promising results, treating juvenile dermatomyositis. Date March 8, 2023. Source, George Washington University. Juvenile dermatomyositis, a rare but often severe and chronic systemic autoimmune disease, includes a large number of patients who are treatment-resistant, requiring long-term immunosuppressive therapy. As researchers review, a small study shows promise using a targeted biological therapy called abatacept to treat such patients. In the 24-week trial, 10 patients of juvenile dermatomyositis, ages 7 years or older, with moderate disease activity, who all received abatacept therapy, had significant improvements in their muscle strength, physical function, endurance, and skin rashes, as well as in the amount of muscle inflammation on MRI. In addition, patients were able to lower the daily dose of corticosteroids during the trial. And this study makes an important contribution to the field of juvenile dermatomyositis. Treatment-resistant patients require long-term immunosuppressive therapy with glucocorticoids, methotrexate, and other medications. And this 24-week clinical trial suggests abatacept may be beneficial and a potentially safe option for refractory juvenile dermatomyositis. The study is the first clinical trial conducted to evaluate the safety and efficacy of abatacept in such patients. Further study must be conducted to verify the findings of this small pilot study. And this is a breakthrough for juvenile dermatomyositis. The majority of these treatment-refractory patients improved at least moderately in clinical disease activity measures, as well as in 2 objective blinded measures, interferon genes and protein markers, reflecting downregulation of a key cytokine signaling pathway in juvenile dermatomyositis and muscle inflammation on MRI. These data strengthen the findings and promise of abatacept for juvenile dermatomyositis, although further studies are needed. And this is the Professor of Microbiology, Bioinformatics, and Pathophysiology. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.